Hi, I'm actor Benjamin Burke. You might know me from some of my roles such as the guy from microservices or the senior engineer. Now, being a classically trained actor, I had no technical expertise whatsoever, so learning all those quirky turns of phrase and technical jibber-jabber was quite the challenge. Thankfully, I had access to a great resource, and those are the courses at Boot.dev. With courses such as Learning Git with the Primeagen or Memory Management with Tej, anyone can learn real, practical skills using projects and building things with your own tuned hands. Doing things with a large language model in the modern day just doesn't cut it. Anyone can do that. But building real, usable skills, that'll help you prepare for jobs, the real world, and anything you might want to build. So go ahead and check out Boot.dev, the internet's best resource for building real, practical knowledge. Thank you very much.